In our prior session, we explored theater design, delving into the art of creating visually captivating stage environments for live dramatic performances. In today's class, we will discuss the topic dance. Dance encompasses a diverse range of forms, each with its unique characteristics and purposes. A. Dramatic dance. Dramatic dance integrates into a dramatic narrative, contributing to the storytelling process. It combines dance movements with dramatic actions, allowing characters to express themselves through physicality and emotion, enhancing the overall theatrical experience. B. Comic dance. Comic dance aims to entertain and amuse the audience with its humorous and playful movements. Dancers employ funny and light-hearted steps, creating a jovial atmosphere. Examples include dances like booty booty and bajau, popular in the Philippines. C. Pure dance. Pure dance emphasizes movement as an art form in itself, devoid of a specific plot. It relies on dance movements to convey mood, emotion, or abstract concepts, making it a unique and expressive form of dance. D. Dance drama. Dance drama combines rhythmic dance movements with spoken dialogue to tell a compelling story. This form harmoniously marries the elements of dance and drama, enabling the characters to communicate their narratives through both choreography and spoken words, enriching the storytelling experience. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.